Hi, what's up guys? My name is Ronald. I am an OFW here in Singapore. I make travel guides, travel tips going to Philippines and Singapore. Babala po sa mga uuwi ng Philippines, sa mga OFW na uuwi ng Pilipinas. Also for tourists arriving in Philippines, please don't make this mistake. Make sure that you do not use these fake websites that will take your information and also may take your payment card information. Be aware, this is not the correct e-travel website. Hi guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please do. I have a lot of travel guide, travel tips going to Philippines and Singapore. So anyway, para sa mga bago, e-travel arrival card is an online health declaration para sa mga taong babalik ng Philippines. It is required for you to submit 3 to 4 days bago kayo umalis o dumating ng Philippines. Dito nyo ilalagay yung travel information nyo and your personal information. Kung frequent traveler kayo or madalas na kayong lumilipad palabas or pabalik ng Philippines, I recommend mag-register kayo using your old QR code. Gamitin nyo yung mga past QR code nyo na nakuha nyo sa e-travel. Ilalagay nyo lang yung reference number, birthday. Mas madali na siya kasi nandun na yung information nyo. For first timer or hindi familiar sa e-travel, please watch this video and I will guide you. Duhing nasa tamang website, etravel.gov.ph. So for Filipino, choose Philippine passport. If you are a foreigner arriving in Philippines, choose foreign passport. And then choose your citizenship. We will choose Filipino. Traveler type, you are arriving in Philippines. Dadating kayo ng Philippines, kaya arrival. Transportation, by plane, so choose air. Tapos date of arrival, kung kailan kayo dadating ng Philippines. Let's say dadating tayo 15. And then your email. So this email again will be the one receiving your QR code. Dito matatanggap yung QR code nyo. After mag-submit ng e-travel arrival. Ilagay ang email ulit. Check the box. Agree. And then press continue. Ilagay ang unang pangalan. Middle name, it's optional. Last name, ito yung apelido. Suffix, kung meron. Kung wala, pwedeng iwan na lang. Kunin nyo na yung passport nyo at ilagay ang passport number dito. Sex, kung babae o lalaki. Date of birth, ang inyong kaarawan or your birthday. So, yung citizenship, nakalagay na siya dito kasi sinagutan natin kanina. Country of birth. So again, choose from this list. Occupation. I mentioned sa e-travel departure ko, meron nang nadagdag dito. Last time, wala yung unemployed and yung student and minor. Yan. So last time wala yan. So just choose from this list kung ano yung malapit sa trabaho nyo. And then yung phone number, ilagay nyo lang. If you don't have a phone number in Philippines, you can change the flag icon. So press next. Country of residence. If you are from Philippines, pindutin nyo yung Philippines. Ayan. Tapos, I assume alam nyo na guys tong address nyo. Yung province, municipality, barangay. And then, type nyo na lang dito yung address ng street nyo. Apartment number or condo number. If you are not from Philippines, just click this country and change it based on your residential country. So, press next. Travel details. Country of origin, kung saang bansa kayo nanggaling before Philippines. For example, galing kayo nagbakasyon kayo sa Singapore, babalik na kayo ng Philippines. Ayan. So, depende. Just choose again from this list. And then, your purpose of travel. Normally, ito yung pinipili natin. Holiday and pleasure. Okay, so yung date of return, if you are not a Filipino, you will have to choose the date. When will you be back in your country of origin? If you are 10 days in Philippines and you are arriving on the 18th, then you just count 10 days from here. Next is traveler type. Aircraft passenger kasi pasahero tayo ng aeroplano. And the name of airline, just check your flight itinerary to answer this clearly. And then your flight number. Your airport of arrival in Philippines, marami po tayong terminal, pero since this is pre-selected, automatic nang masasagutan to kapag nilagay niyo yung airline flight number. Since this is optional, you don't need to worry about this. Press next. Kung Pilipino kayo, babalik kayo ng Philippines or dadating kayo ng Philippines, piliin nyo lang yung residence. And then click same as permanent country para hindi nyo na i-type kung saan kayo nakatira. Kung hindi naman same, ilagay nyo lang yung address na meron dito. Address nyo na bago. You can choose from the list of hotels here. Or you can type the hotel. Use your keypad. And then the contact number, just copy the number here. And then press next. Transit flight. You have a connecting flight. Choose transit. And then choose which airport. So we have 4 terminals here. And then choose the country of destination. Which country will you be going after your layover in Philippines? So let's choose residence and then press next. So I normally don't answer this kasi hindi naman siya required. I'm just highlighting para sa mga hindi familiar or hindi pa alam, wala na po yung COVID-19 vaccination proof or question. And then answer accordingly na lang if you are feeling well or not, kung may sipon kayo or anything. I suggest if you're not feeling well, wag na kayo mag-travel. Or worst, baka hindi kayo papasakayan ng eroplano. Take care of yourself before your flight. So let's press next. Review your profile. If walang mali, you can press submit. If not, again, you can use this blue icon and then change your information. So once you press submit, lalabas yung congratulations and you can now save your QR code. If you're traveling by group, 2 or 3 people, you can choose the feature sa baba, add member. So mas madali nang mag-add member dahil same email and same address yung lalabas. Yun lang guys. Sana nakatulong yung video na to. If you have any question, just comment down below or you can message me in Facebook. Huwag na kayo magtaka if you experience na pagdating nyo ng Philippines or pag umaalis kayo ng Philippine Airport, hindi na hinahanap yung e-travel. It's normal. Sasabihin na lang nila sa inyo, nasa system na. Baka nga makalimutan nyo na rin i-present kasi hindi na talaga siya hinahanap. But still, follow this procedure. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And I will see you on my next video.